Team Wolves here, and you know how people keep doing those things to take over YouTube with comments? That's what we're going to be doing today. So, like all those other random ones, let's do Wolf. Since Wolf is like the last part of our channel called Team Wolf, so if we can do this, I'm going to be impressed. Let's take over YouTube and anything else that we can. Just type Wolf and everything that you see a comment thing, type Wolf. If you have to go to comments every time you watch a video, type Wolf. Bark you guys later, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and type Wolf on everything. Wolf.